Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rini Raudatujana from class 7E. So, on this occasion, I will present the analysis of semiotic with Roland Barthes theory. So, the title is Semiotic Analysis of Stray Kids God's Menu music video. Okay, before I start to the analysis, I will introduce who is Stray Kids. So, Stray Kids is one of JYP Entertainment's K-pop boy groups with 8 members, namely Bang Chan, Lino, Changbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix, Seungmin, and also Ayen, who made their debut in 2018 with the song District 9 found in the album I Am Not. The group name Stray Kids itself has a meaning that implies the group's aspirations to be able to deviate from the exciting framework and find their own way for themselves. Stray Kids songs are known to have a unique feel and genre, but still sound fun to the ears. In fact, Stray Kids are called the pioneers of the male genre gremlins. Through their song God's Menu, Stray Kids managed to introduce the spicy mala music genre like malatang, which is a food from China. So, the theory that I use to analyze is the semiotic theory by Roland Barthes. Barthes is one of the great figures in the world of semiotics. According to him, semiotics is the science used to interpret a sign, where language is also an arrangement of signs that have certain message from society. Signs here can also be in the form of songs, dialogue, music notes, logos, pictures, facial expression, and gestures. Barthes examined the denotation, connotation, and mythical meanings of objects. And denotation in Roland Barthes' semiology, denotation is the first level of signification system. In this case, the denotation is more associated with the closure of meaning. And the second is connotation. Barthes used the term connotation to denote the second stage of the signification system. Connotative meaning is the combination of denotative meaning with all the image, memories, and feelings that are evoked with our sense come into contact with the signifier. And the third is myth. Barthes suggests that myth is language, hence myth is a system of communication and myth is a message. In his description, he suggests that myth, in this particular sense, is a development of connotation. The long established connotation in society are myths. Barthes also said that myth is a semiological system, a system of signs that humans interpret. Okay, next, let's see at the first scene. In scene 1, you can see this is the scene that the intro of Stray Kids God's Menu music video. And the denotation of the scene is Changbin is seen bowing while saying yes sir and mom. Connotation, the part say yes sir and mom is meant for customers entering the restaurant. And the myth, the song is titled God's Menu. The meaning of the song title itself is a representation of the combination of the song that has been made with a food menu and makes the listeners of this song as guests who taste the song that has been made by Stray Kids. This is why in scene 1, It looks like Changbin says yes sir and mom, or in the real lyric in Korean is Neksonim, which which then bows respectfully. It is a form of welcome that they do to their listeners to enter the restaurant from Stray Kids and test the song they have made. Then, if you pay attention to the choreography made by hand, it looks like a gate, which is an entry point for listeners to taste the beauty of their work. The song is also titled God's Menu because Stray Kids seem to create a song that is very masterpiece like a menu from the gods. The point is that their song is very beautiful, amazing, and can make the listener mesmerized. Okay, next let's see at the second scene. In scene 2, we can see the two scenes here. And the denotation of this scene is a crow is seen in the construction site, and connotation the crow symbolizes bad luck and death. And the myth the crow is a symbol of bad luck and death, but crow do not always symbolize bad luck and death. They are also a symbol of magic and mystery. In Greek methodology, the raven is also considered a symbol of divination and good luck, but some people believe that the crow is a symbol of bad luck and death. Then, in the next scene, there are people wearing complete personal protective equipment, looking like doctors or scientists who are trying to make a vaccine to overcome the COVID-19 virus. If we combine these two clues between crows and doctors, they symbolize how doctors and scientists continue to try to save humanity of the COVID-19 virus. Then, in this scene, the doctors and scientists are seeing the project site and not in a laboratory or hospital. This means that like the porters who have strong bodies, they never complain about their work during the day. They continue to work non-stop. Likewise, scientists who continue to struggle to overcome the COVID-19 virus, they continue to work day and night without despair for the safety of us all from the COVID-19 virus. Okay, next let's see at the last scene, which is scene 3. Here we can see there are the car with the name Stray Kids. So the denotation of this scene is a car with the word Stray Kids is at the racetrack, and the connotation is the car with the word Stray Kids is illustrates of stray kids trying to reach the finish line, and the myth of this scene is we see in this scene that car with the word Stray Kids is at the racetrack. This depicts the journey of the Stray Kids. It is undeniable that the world of K-pop is very cruel and also filled with many obstacles. The other cars depict their rivals in the K-pop music industry, and they are faster than the Stray Kids. Every day, the Stray Kids are like they are in the racetrack, chasing each other to be the winner and be at the finish line. But they don't always keep going. Sometimes they have to stop to fix something. Seen in the crew helping to fix the Stray Kids car, this illustrates the people who always support and help the Stray Kids when they are down. So, the last is the conclusion of this analysis. And the conclusion is so, through this song, the Stray Kids want to show that in creating a work, they use their sincere hearts, full of precision and also hard work, so as to create a song like a menu from the gods. In addition, they also want to make many people realize to appreciate medical personnel more and also show that the journey of Stray Kids is like being in a racetrack. They have to keep racing and go fast so that they can laugh at the finish line. But of course, it is not an easy thing. So, I think that's all I can say. Sorry if there are any mistakes. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.